Hi guys, Paul Hosford here. I'm here with Roz Purcell.
Hi.
Roz, you're going to show us how to make a very simple work-based lunch.
Yeah, you know what? The most requests I get is for easy lunchbox recipes and ideas. And it's probably because, you know, people are outside their comfort zone, they're in a stressful environment, and it's more than likely where they're going to slip up in their kind of daily routine. So I'm all about creating really quick and easy, healthy lunchbox options, and I'm going to show you one today. What I usually do with stuff like my lunch boxes, I just have things ready. It's all about assembly. And assembly should only take you 4 to 5 minutes the night before. And we all have 4 to 5 minutes. Yeah. You know the way people are saying, oh, they don't have enough time. We all have 5 minutes, you know. We all watch Netflix.
So we went to the supermarket, we got our couple of bits. How do we make it lunch?
Basically, all we're really doing is putting this together. So this is one of my favourite recipes, and I do loads of lunchbox recipes in Half Hour Here because that's the one thing people really crave. And with Half Hour Here, you'll kind of see that I'm trying to get away from health food being unattainable and inaccessible. So these are all ingredients you can pick up in your local shop, small or big. What I'm using as my grain here is bulgur wheat. Love bulgur wheat. It's perfect for meal prep, and I'll tell you why. There's really no cooking involved. So I'm going to pour in just enough for one portion, so about 40 grams. And what we're going to do is simply just cover the top, just up to the top of boiling water. And then what you want to do is just seal that. So just using a plate, pop it on top and seal it and give it about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to kind of just mix up our tuna. So I just have some plain tuna here from a drained can in brine. Tuna is just one of those really handy things. As I said earlier, get your kind of tins of tuna, have them in the press. They're not going to go off. So I've just added a little bit of Greek yogurt into my tuna here to kind of make like a fake tuna mayo.
Yeah, so it's just about getting it to your taste.
Just getting it to your taste, yeah. So with our chickpeas, I'm going to give you the important job of just draining a few.
I'm not sure I'm able.
The brine is farting power, and you don't want any of that in your office space. You want none of that.
So we're talking, this isn't one meal, this is...
Loads. Now the only thing you'd probably change around is your tins of tuna, but if you got the 5-pack, the 4-pack, whatever, that will kind of do you throughout the week. As you can see, it's really nice and fluffy.
How well does it hold flavour then if you're dumping spices in, or if you want to kind of...
really, really well. Like, you know, you can even have this really simply with just a little bit of cumin and olive oil, or I love to dollop in some pesto. And there you go. It can be really, really cost effective if you're buying things in bulk and you're going to do it throughout the week, and make it fresh. Because, you know, it's something that takes 5 minutes if you have your bulgur wheat already on, and you can pot around the office to do whatever. And all you need is a kettle. We all have kettles.